As long-time sufferers to this channel will know, my go-to flash brand is Godox. So it's only right that we look at some more stuff from them, starting with a flash that might just be right for somebody at the lowest end of the market. Somebody that needs something simple that can be used on and off camera without spending much at all. So today we have this Godox TT520III. Let's check it out. Well, there we go. That is everything. First off, I'm greeted in an interesting way by the remote trigger. Apparently this has 15-meter range, very plasticky. Seems to have some power in there already. How do you power it? I think it's got a little battery in there. We'll look at that. And we've got these little switches for selecting the frequencies, etc. Fair enough. The usual. And there's a whole bunch of paperwork. There's a lens cloth. Interesting. A warranty card and a slightly mangled manual. Fair enough. And compatibility. Now the idea of this thing, of course, is it's compatible with everything. We've got mini stand, nice furry bag. I like the bag actually, considering this is the low end. It's a decent little touch. This whole unit here does feel rather plasticky. Let's see how much we can turn the head. Actually a fairly decent, well actually it's almost 360 degrees. 240 odd, 300 odd, I don't know. But I love that for bounce flash. We do have those little switches there as well. Let's see if there's any power in this thing. There is not. Oh, there's absolutely not, because we need to put in 4 batteries. The heat is getting to me. 4 AA's. That should give us 400 full power flashes with a recycle of 1.8 seconds. We shall see how we fare with that. Now, because this is a single contact hot shoe, so allows for compatibility with most camera brands, it does not allow for TTL. So this is manual only. If we look around, see what else is going on here, we have a port for compatibility with the PB960 power pack, PC sync port, guide number of 33, and it weighs 304 grams. So that is basically what you're getting for your money. That is a very interesting little touch, in fairness. Right, let's see how we get on with it. I've had a very good play with this flash for a few weeks now, and I've got to say it's decent. Of course it's limited. You're not going to go wild out and about, and you certainly shouldn't be thinking about using this as your primary flash on a paid job, but with careful use it should prove very usable, especially for home studio photography. It's easy to dial in the manual power, the screen is good, the head rotates really well, and can be used with Godox accessories. This baggie, I think it's just a simple little thing. It is nice. It's got an internal pocket. I feel like I didn't get that from them before. Nice one, Godox, fair play. I'd say this is a well-built flash. Everything fits and feels just fine. Just be aware it's kind of weak. It's only GN33, so of course that's limiting. You might be pushing your ISO a bit. You know, it also doesn't work in the Godox X radio system that we've grown to love, but the included trigger gets the job done well. And you can use this with almost any camera that you've got, which is actually very cool. Very simple, of course, but very cool nevertheless. The key to this one then is the price, £55. If that's all you've got, then this is a very usable flash system, possibly a great option for someone who's cash strapped but wants to learn flash. For an extra £7, you could get the TT600, which works with the Godox X 2.4 GHz radio system. That flash doesn't come with a trigger as this one does. So unless you've got other Godox flashes in the X system, you'd have to spend more to get off-camera flash with that option. And then on top of that, if you need TTL, you've got to spend £69 more to get the TT520III. And then you're going upwards to the flashes that I use professionally, the V8 62 and 3. This though, tidy, budget, all-in-one option that should keep a beginner on a budget happy.